Bose QuietComfort 35 wireless headphones are engineered with world-class noise cancellation, hassle-free wireless technology, and up to 20 hours of battery life. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your headphones. Let's start by carefully unpacking the carton. Lift up the tab to reveal the quick start guide and carrying case. Also inside the box are your safety instructions and warranty card. Unzip the carrying case to reveal your QuietComfort 35 headphones. You'll also find a USB charging cable and backup auxiliary cable. To charge your headphones, plug the small end of the USB cable into the USB port. Plug the other end into a computer that is powered on, or a 5-volt 1-amp USB wall charger. When charging, the battery indicator blinks amber. When the battery indicator changes to solid green, your battery is fully charged with up to 20 hours of wireless playtime. On the right side cup, you will see your power and Bluetooth switch. To power on, slide right until you see a green dot. On the right side of your headphones, you'll find plus and minus buttons to adjust the volume. Also the multi-function button, which is used to initiate play, pause, and other track controls. Even more details about the multi-function button are located in your owner's guide. Located on the left side of your headphones, you'll find the backup auxiliary port. Use this when connecting to a non-Bluetooth device or if your headphone battery is depleted. You'll also see the action button. You can choose one of 3 ways to use it. Adjust the levels of noise cancellation, activate the Google Assistant, or activate Amazon Alexa for voice commands and notifications. Now let's pair your headphones with your mobile device. First, slide the power and Bluetooth switch all the way right for 3 seconds until the Bluetooth indicator blinks blue. If you're wearing the headphones, you will hear
"Ready to connect."
For the best experience, we recommend pairing via the Bose Connect app. Download it from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and follow the on-screen instructions. Once paired, the Bluetooth indicator glows solid white, and a voice prompt announces the connected mobile device.
Connected to next phone.
Now you're ready to enjoy your new QuietComfort 35 wireless headphones.